Hello, it's sleepy time at the house. Bingo is on her second book with Mama. Bingo is on her second book with Mama. While Bluey is already fast to sleep. Here is Bluey is fast to sleep. Now it's time for light out. Bingo want to do a big girl sleep and wake up. Here is Bingo. And sweet dream, Mama safe. Remember, I'm always here if you need me. Here is Mama. Now it's time for light out. Bingo want to do a big girl sleep and wake up in her own bed. Now next, Bingo hold closely her toy teddy bear off to sleep. Oh, here is Bingo. Oh, what is that? Oh my god. Oh, look at the Bingo. Oh, he's flying in the sky. Oh my, shipping to tree. Oh, wow. Look at the bunny. He's hugging the bunny. Now, next. Oh, Bingo see a big warm glowy light. Here is light, glowy light. And they head towards it. On the way, they pass another planet. Oh, someone else has already from this one. Oh. Oh, here is. Can I have some water? Okay. Bingo and Floppy head off into space again. Ooh, planet. This one looks cozy. It is cozy. Yeah. Bingo and Floppy feel like they are rolling up and down big blue space mountains. Oh, it's a lot of fun. Oh, then they find another planet, a big one yet. This one is a lot of fun to jump on. Oh, so much fun that Bluey join us. Not much fun for Dad. And then, oh, Dad, can you see to me? Oh, think on. They all end up back in Mama and Daddy's room. The blanket slips of Bingo and Fluffy are felt in the cold. Bingo spot that warm glowy light again. And then on their way towards the light, they pass another planet. This one has something spinning around it. It's Floppy's friend. Floppy want to join them. Bingo lets Floppy go. Oh, wait, what is this? Something heading towards Bingo. Oh, it's so warm. but Bingo remembered that she wanted to do a big girl sleep and wake up in her own bed. Bingo, stand up. I have to go. I am a big girl now. Oh, remember, I will always be here for you, even if you cannot see me, because I love you. Bingo back to where she began, but she cannot fit all the pieces together. Oh, here comes Poppy with her friend to help. And night, 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 good night, Bingo. Night, good night, thank you for everything. And here is house is still and quiet again. Bingo sleep peacefully. And here is Dad and Bluey sleep peacefully. Mama does too. And the sun began to rise its warm, very nice cozy morning. Asleep in her own bed.
Round and round, round and round the garden. Round and round with cutie pie, bear and friends, bear and friends. Round, 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 round the garden. Like a teddy bear, like a teddy bear, tomatoes, flowers, like a teddy bear. One step, two step, one step, two step, one, two, 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 two steps, steps, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. One step, two step, one step, two step. Tickle, tickle. You under there, you under there. Tickle, tickle. Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. Tickle, tickle, tickle. One step, two step, one step, two step. Like a teddy bear, ho, like a teddy bear. Like a teddy bear. One step, two step, one step, two step, like a teddy bear.
We are learning fruits. Let's start. Here is mango, yummy, yummy mango. Papaya, it's very healthy. Banana. Here is mango, mango, mango. Papaya, papaya, papaya. Banana, banana, banana. Chiku, chickoo, chiku. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Coconut, coconut, nut. Coconut. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Jackfruit. Pomegranate, pomegranaate. Pomegranate. Fig, fig. Custard apple, custard. Apple, apple. Custard apple. Apple, apple. Apple. Sweet lemon, sweet, line. lemon. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Here is cashew nut, C-A-S-H-E-W, nut, N-U-T, nut. Grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Peach, P-E-A-C-H, peach. Plum, P-L-U-M, plum. Pear, P-E-A-R, plum. Pear. Watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Cherry, C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S, cherries. Raspberry, R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y, raspberry. Lychee, L-I-C-L-I-T-C-H-I, lychee. Guava, G-U-A-V-A, muskmelon, M-U-S-K-M-E-L-O-N, muskmelon. Strawberry, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. Jamun, J-A-M-B-O-O, J-A-M-U-N, jamun. So which fruit is called the king of fruit? It's a mango. Which fruit do you like? I like guava, cherries, strawberries, and pineapple, chiku, fig. Yeah. Apple a day keep the doctor away. Yeah. We are learning so many fruits: mango, papaya, banana, pineapple, coconut, chiku, jackfruit, fig, custard apple, apple, orange, sweet lemon, cashew nut, grapes, peach, plum, cherries, watermelon, pear, raspberry, lychee, guava, strawberry, muskmelon, jamun. Yeah, we are learning so many fruits today. Yay! Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Eat fruits. Thank you. Today we are learning farm animal, wild animal, where they live. Okay, let's start. Here is tiger. Tiger lives in caves. Yeah, here is caves. Lion lives in den. Dog, kennel. Dog lives in kennel. Horse lives in stable. Bird lives in nest. Rat lives in hole. Oh. And cow lives in shed. So where does the horse lives? Horse lives in stable. Where does cow live? Cow lives in shed. Where does bird live? Nest. Where does bee lives?